Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel shashaaiworld. This is your friend kannannova, data scientist, masters in data science from US. Recently, I have been getting a lot of comments and questions about Microsoft AI capabilities, especially around Microsoft Copilot Studio and Azure AI Foundry. Many people are confused about why Microsoft has two AI platforms. What is the actual differences and when to use each one? Many people are thinking that they do the same, but actually they are built for different types of AI applications and different business needs. In this video, I'm gonna explain Microsoft AI capabilities, including Copilot Studio, AI, Azure AI Foundry, use cases, architecture thinking, enterprise scenarios, and how to choose the right tool for your project. So, if you are an AI engineer, developer, architect, or someone exploring Gen AI or generative AI with Microsoft technologies, this video will clear up your doubts. Gets, let's get started. See the screen, Microsoft Copilot. It is a conversational AI powered assistant. AI workers means like you can create any AI agent that works with Microsoft 365 products like with SharePoint, OneDrive, uh, Excel. So you can get the knowledge from SharePoint and give to end user through chatbot, AI chatbot. So who will use this one? Use this tool to develop the AI agent? Do you think developers? No, anyone can develop because we don't need to know any coding. This is especially built for BA, business analyst, or business domain experts. Anybody non-IT professionals can use. Yeah, and use cases if you see internal HR agent, IT help desk, or new employee onboard agent, customer facing FAQ, chatbot. Uh, See the AI Foundry screen. AI Foundry is like a AI infrastructure. Copilot is like a AI worker. This is a AI infrastructure. So we have to build everything from scratch using Python or .NET Core, C#. So means we are going to control everything. Okay, we create agent, we create infrastructure. So we are going to enable governance. We are going to enable observability. We know we have the full visibility. Okay. Also, it supports any database, like any vector database. We, we can attach AA search, we can attach Postgres SQL or ChromoDB, any database you can attach. So we can build AI agent service also using popular frameworks like langgraph, autogen, and Microsoft semantic kernel or MS or Microsoft agent framework. See third screen, this screen. This is a difference between Copilot and AI Foundry. What scenario we should use Copilot and what scenario we should use AI Foundry. Okay. Primary audience is a business analyst, domain experts, makers and IT professionals. But AI Foundry is for only software engineers, data scientists, and ML architects. Okay, so I'm going to show the Azure website or Microsoft website, how a Copilot Studio looks, and what are the components we need to use to develop AI agent, as well as in the AI Foundry side, I'll show how to create simple AI agent. See the screen? Yeah. To log into Copilot, we should go to copilotstudio.microsoft.com. Then you see the screen. Left side, if you see home, it will show agent or workflow. Okay, agent is like LLM memory and tools. Workflow is also similar, but it has a process like workflow orchestrator or a kind of flow chart. Okay, connects one step to another step like that. So mostly we use agent. Okay, we create agent. If you click agent, you have built in some agents like a Copilot for Microsoft 360, Copilot, and Cruise Travel Expert. We can create our new agent. I'm going to click new agent like on new employee. Yeah. Once agent is created, see, this is a kind of chatbot, right? You can give the prompt and say, I want the agent should be like this, should behave this way manner, kind of instruction you can keep on give. Then the agent will learn that instructions and behave accordingly. So this is an instruction. You can, whatever instruction you want, you can give. At the same time, you can attach any model, like whatever my Copilot supports, mostly GPT models, right? You can attach. Okay, like you see the models, these all are available. Okay, you can take and attach to your agent. Then I said memory, right? Memory, knowledge, tools, everything, right? So you can attach knowledge. Knowledge is like a SharePoint or web search, public website, Azure AI search, or SQL database. You can attach. Then whenever user asks questions or prompts, then it comes to that request will be routed to knowledge. Knowledge, anything is matching, then they take that knowledge and they give it to LLM. LLM will create the response back to that response will be given back to end user. Yeah. So you can attach knowledge or tools. Tools is like external. You want to call REST API or some other application, then you can use tools to do that action. Okay. Tools may be performing the action, like you are asking to composing email or send out email or read the email and notify me. Then kind of any kind of action you can attach. And topics based on your input automatically triggers the topic. The topic is nothing about workflow. Small, say, I click one. I'm see this is a workflow. Okay. Yeah, you can create workflow, but based on your input prompt, automatically particular topic will be triggered. Or if there is no topic, then knowledge will be taken and consider, and based on knowledge, it will give the response. Okay, whatever you do, everything will be recorded under activities. This is a kind of monitoring. Okay, monitoring tool. Okay, And evaluation, you want to evaluate how that agent is scoring metrics, everything. Okay. Analytics is a kind of report. Okay. Yeah, these all are the capabilities of Microsoft Copilot. You don't need to know any coding knowledge. You don't need to know any coding, uh, like a Python or a .NET, anything. You can create everything and publish to uh, your teams or internal website, wherever you want. Okay, whatever supported platform, you can publish to those platforms. Okay. Yeah. That's all for Copilot. Okay. Let's see the Azure AI Foundry. Okay. Azure AI Foundry is we have to log into Microsoft Azure.portal.com, like Azure website. Okay. Then go to Foundry icon, or if you don't know, then search that Microsoft Foundry. We don't know any Foundry, we can create one. In Azure, you go to Foundry, then you can see under resources, use with the Foundry. You have Foundry, AI Hubs, and Azure Open AI and AI Search. Okay, AI Search is a database, but we go Foundry and create new Foundry. Okay, it will ask like a regular AI Azure resource how you create. You need to know the location, region, all. Okay, I'm creating. Yeah, once you enter everything, you can create. Yeah, after creating a AI Foundry, go to AI Foundry portal. So this is AI Foundry portal. See, we have agent. We can create agents. We can trace it, trace as observability and monitoring. We have evaluation, guardrails, like filters, input output filters, like any harmful content we should not receive, as well as we should not send to end user. Yeah, governance we can enable, and models. If you see, we have a lot of model catalog. It has a lot of LLM models. We can create Python code, like agent application, and we can deploy it into AI Foundry too. We can import AI agent inside into here, or write like a right agent. You can click and create over here. Like manually, you can create agent in portal itself. But before creating agent, we should have model. Model should be deployed. Model is a mandatory component for agent. So we have model catalog. You see a lot of models are there. Okay. You can go over model catalog also to deploy, choose your model. Or if you use VS Code or any IDE tool, there you can create AI agent using Microsoft kernel SDK, and then you can deploy or push the code into AI Foundry. This is a kind of more developer tool, okay, or architect or ML uh, architect tool. Like means architects are going to use this tool. Okay, means we have to develop and we have to control everything. We are going to manage everything. If you think about Azure Microsoft Copilot Studio, Microsoft is managing AI agents, but over here we are going to manage the AI agents. This is only different. But in some scenario, we may need both. Okay, hybrid approach we use, like end user or user facing platform or agent will be in uh, Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then any complex orchestrator or multi-agent agentic AI, that will be in AI Foundry. But Copilot will give the request or route the input into AI Foundry. Foundry does all the heavy lifting jobs, and then gives the response back to Studio. Studio will give back to end user the final result. Finally, we came to the summary. Uh, we saw Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft AI Foundry. Both are tools for developing AI agents. Uh, Different persona, like a different experience, but one for non IT people, like business people can use it. Another one is for only for IT professionals. But best approach, if you ask me, I would say we have to use both. Okay, because even business people create simple chatbot, but eventually they enrich or extend that chatbot to do more actions. Uh, they may call other agent or other tools. Those agents tools will be in AI Foundry. So we got to use both hybrid approach to make the successful AI project. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. Share the knowledge, gain the knowledge, and knowledge is alone permanent. Bye.